You're fat. You're the fattest cat I've ever seen.
Yeah, damn. Kiki, I love you, but fuck your heavy. Get off of me. Or lay down. Do something.
Oh no, he's just really fat. He's 20 pounds. Thank you.
I don't know why she's a circle. That's crazy. How did she do that? Bro.
Oh my god, she looks so fat from above. She was just... Oh, you heard me? I'm sorry.
Yes. Oh, what? I love you forever. Okay.
I might be fat, but I identify as skinny. Bitch, I'm trans slender.